Luh Arie Ratna Sukasari, founder of Malekat Hukum international law firm and head of the Duta Bina Bhuana Foundation, marked her 50th birthday with a Golden Dragon Ball theme celebration at the Trans Resort Bali, underscoring a milestone of gratitude and a shared journey toward the future. The event drew family members, associates, and clients, including expatriates living in Bali. Proceedings began with a rooftop reception where guests gathered in a festive atmosphere, enjoying panoramic night views of the city illuminated by decorative light alongside casual conversations and group photographs. The celebration then moved to the hotel ballroom, where attendees were hosted in a five-star setting with a range of culinary offerings. Sukasari family, including her mother, husband, and children, were present, adding to the occasion. Entertainment featured live guitar performances by a solo singer and traditional Balinese dance. The Duta Bina Bhuana Foundation, which oversees DDB School, highlighted its vision of bridging Southeast Asia and the West by fostering an educational environment where Indonesian and international students can collaborate and develop skills in digital technology, culture, and identity. The institution, which has operated in Berawe for 3 decades, aims to serve as a platform for personal and academic growth.
And thinking about building a bridge between the East and the West, where students of the future from Indonesia and international students can join together to basically learn and progress in a future world, a future-focused world around digital technology, around culture and identity. This is a place that DBB School in Berawe will excel. And we're really proud that tonight on Luh Sari's 50th anniversary that we actually, in this Golden Dragon Ball, foresee the future, which is a future-focused institution between East and West.
For 30 years we have been serving the local community, empowered through education, and we're looking forward to another DBB with the new renewed school and the future fund of DBB starting from today and also marking my birthday of half century. So I'm asking all my friends and colleagues and close friends blessing for now and the future.
A Singapore-based associate, Rai Pang Siheng, described the event as remarkable, noting a strong sense of legacy and exchange reflecting Sukasari's 50-year life journey while expressing hope for continued positive impact on local communities and strengthen international cooperation in education.
It was such a beautiful integration of legacy exchange, whereby Luh Sari is moving through this golden milestone, 50th year birthday, while her mother is handing over a legacy piece, which is DBB Foundation and DBB School. So it was a beautiful experience as Global Freedom Initiative being a part of this celebration and witnessing the transference of legacy over time. It was phenomenal.
The celebration was also attended by Indonesian Regional Representative Council member Sri Igusti Ngurah Arya Widekarna Mahendra Datta Widastra Putra Suyase, who extend his congratulations and prayers. The event featured remarks from colleagues and clients of the law firm, a prize draw, and conclude with a candle blowing ceremony followed by a group dance. Raiswantara, Bali TV.